Hi mommies, come let's unpack this baby swing chair by Infantso with me for my little one. It comes with a remote control which is quite user friendly and adapter to plug in whenever you want to use it. It also has different height extension. You can adjust it as per your choice and it's quite sturdy as you can see it. Also, it has a 3-point harness for safety and security reasons, and the belt does not trouble the baby at all because it is covered with the cloth on top. Also, it has a swing motion which is automatic, so you're hands free. You can finish all your other work while your baby is enjoying the swing. Just plug it in, switch it on, and you're good to go. It also has music system which has soothing and calm melodies for the babies to enjoy while they're sitting in the swing. It comes with a little cute toy bar on top with such a cute moon and star on it for the babies to play with it. It also has a mosquito net in order to protect your baby. This swing also comes with a washable fabric which helps in maintaining the hygiene for your little one. Also, it comes with a Bluetooth connection where you can play your child's favorite music to calm them down. Open your settings, switch on the Bluetooth and connect it with the swing. And there you go, play your favorite music of a baby.